So we're just off to Mannheim now to see if we can buy some vans. We've had a good few days actually. We sold plenty, and now we need to renew the stock.
Goes 4-1. 65 and a 65 and a 65 and a 65 in the Hall Street. 65 I've got. I like Chelsea.
So you'll know we've got Rhodes Van Sales, and I'm always at the auctions, whether physically, so I'm in Shepshed at the moment at the Mannheim auction, or I'm online for Fleet Auction Group, and these are all just to trade, so people can't just come in and buy them. But there's the first one we bought today, and that's from Zenith. It's one owner from new, full service history, 60 odd thousand miles. Can't get these things cheap, but it's quality. So we'll get that through our system, get it all cleaned up, offer a warranty, and off we go. And that's how we do things. So just learning, really. It's been a long time. I used to sell vans back in the 1990s. Been a long time, so I'm back out on it, but it's all cool. So that was good. So we bought 4, all come from a good home, from the leasing companies, full service history, no real damage, good quality stuff, and we're going to get them back now for prep. So yeah, very productive morning.